And the weaponised airliners are going hell for leather on Darlington today. And there's one over there on with it at the moment, above that tree, centre. And they're leaving these massive trails that are creating cloud. Although they're not the kind of cloud that we like to be associated with, not water vapour, they're heavy metals. And it's not a it's a conspiracy against us, but there's no theory behind it, because you can see them in front of your bloody eyes if you open them. There's plenty of people done plenty of research into the contents of these chemtrails, which they also call solar radiation management, and there's all kinds of bloody names. But the chemtrails, either way, whatever they are. Now there is one thing that's just cropped up, if I can get it. Redness in the clouds. The sun's over to the left, there. But in that cloud, if I can get it right, where are we? There's a big tree. That cloud there. There's a bright red glow that came out from behind that one a second ago. But let's go around a bit. Over the hotel, there's one snot rocket, weaponised airliner, aka snot rocket. There's a few people call them that anyway. But you can see how the clouds are being formed. And looking over this way, that's what I refer to as knots on a rope. There's another snot rocket right in the distance as well, going the other way. But you know, we have to stop these people. It's alright saying, well, we can't do what about it. Well, if people paid attention and got together, we can do something about it. There's more of us than them. Same with every bloody thing else. People won't open their eyes. And they won't believe people who've actually done the experiments and tests and everything. You'd rather believe scientists who were part of the establishment. I don't know. Just have a look at flat earth. You can ridicule all you want, but take a look at flat earth. Just have a look. And once you see that, you'll start to see everything else that I babble on about. It's all real. This, personally, I think is terraforming. I don't know who for, but it's not going to be for humans. It's okay saying, well, they're not affecting us yet, you know, it's not killing us or anything like that, because people are living longer. Yeah, people are living longer, but when it does actually get to us, we won't remember, because we'll have Alzheimer's. They're putting heavy metal up there, aluminium, is it oxide? Aluminium, either way. Lithium, which dumbs you down. They're actually putting that in water supplies in America now. They say it's to stop suicides. Stop suicides, it's to dumb everybody down like the fluoride. There's another snot rocket on its trail over there now. Where are we? Over that, just over that bit. There's one heading west there. I can see the actual airliner actually, I can see a black dot. Whether or not the camera will do it for me, I don't know. It's a bit hard to get my bearings on this viewfinder, to be honest. It is, however, over there, just about to go into that black cloud or just go over the top of it. Either way, this is Darlington, heavily under attack, air raids, chemical air raids. Yes, Darlington, these are chemical air raids. Authorised by our government. Authorised, and actually promoted by our governments, I'd say, because the RAF are involved. I've already caught on film AWACS spraying us over Darlington. the United States Air Force, but it took off from an RAF base. You want to see Nana? And it's little guys like this who are going to suffer because of it. Not those arrogant bastards that can't be arsed looking. It's little guys like our Bailey that's going to suffer. Go and get Nana then. Yay! He's a love. There's another one up there as well. Well, that's, what is that, 4 in the length of time this video's been running. I can't do anything on the scale that Mike Decker does. That guy's a bloody genius, he's a hero. He gets right under the belly of the planes. Well, fair enough, he's using a tripod and I'm not. But, you know, we're all trying to wake people up. It does, however, look like there's a few frequencies being fired into the clouds as well. If you look, you'll see, well, they look like frequency waves, basically. There's no mistaking them. I posted some photos of Morecambe. It was a fresh snot rocket trail, a few more snot rocket trails, older ones, frequency waves that were splitting up the trails, and a rainbow. It looked like a water rainbow, not the brown, crappy, purpley, greeny things that we get half the time. It actually looked like a real rainbow, but only part of it. Now over here where the sun is, well, yeah, over that way, the trails maybe look a bit clearer. And as we go up, in between there, in between those wires, you should be able to see the frequencies. Likewise, is it that cloud? On the end of that cloud. Putting a lot of faith in this camera. There I am. See the lines, the frequency lines. There's another snot rocket up there. What's that, number 6, number 5, whatever? That one's going... Some black cloud in there. It's just heading over that area now. Like I say, I'm not going to try and zoom in. I can't get good quality footage. But there's an Operation Solar Shield as well. That's to do with the solar radiation management, as they want to call it. David Keith of Harvard University, he's behind it. According to him, tens of thousands of lives lost each year because of all this is well worth it. We want to make that bastard swallow it, don't we? Over there, where I said that light was before, by the way. Hope you can see. There is a separate glow. Now, come across here, because it's that view just to the right of that. I've only gone to that because it looks interesting. But the whole video is really about these weaponised airliners and the air raids on Darlington. If we take a look into that bit over there, seems to be a fresh snot rocket trail through that as well. I'm losing count. There's that much going on. But most of the people below that, walking around getting on with their lives, are oblivious to it. And those that don't want to research flat earth and believe we're on a globe, I'm afraid the joke's on you. You're welcome to your beliefs, but the joke is on you. There's a light source over there, there's got to be. Right, let's try and... I'll give it a second or two, see if it actually focuses. But that does look like a separate light source to me. Hope this camera manages to pick it up. I'll try and zoom in and out a little bit, see what it does. I don't know if you can see the rainbow effect. Hope you can see what I mean. That looks a bit weird, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm in the right area, aren't I? See, and like I say, the sun is over this way. Obviously I can't see what's behind the clouds over to the right, but the sun is obviously to the left. Oh, we got another snot rocket leaving its trail up there. I've got that many lines now, I don't know what bloody hell I'm following here. There we are. My God, Darlington, waking up, we are being hit hard. We are being air raided. We're under attack. And the government's behind it. They deny it, but they're behind it. And some of these seem to have shadows. Really sharp in the sky now. They're not persistent contrails, sorry. You can stick that up your arse, that's a new excuse. These are chemtrails. If you want to live in denial, that's your bloody problem. You can see the shite around the sun. All chemical mess made by man, or made by somebody who's flying these bloody things. Someone or something is flying them, whether they're remote controlled drones or whatever, but somebody's flying these bastards. And yes, they will kill us. If you're drinking rainwater, personally I'd advise not to. So look at that, cloud looks a bit weird up there. Well, they're man-made anyway, aren't they? As you can see around the sun, you see the chemtrails there. It's bloody beautiful to see. Well, it's sinister, but nice. Not nice. Strange to see. Let's leave it at that, shall we? Very strange. Over there, that's a beauty. Hellfire. What's going on with that? Right, that cloud, end of that cloud. I just hope I can catch this. Let's hope it focuses. See that? There you go. Chemical attack on Darlington, England. We're all breathing it in, it's all into the water supply. All the animals are taking it in. It's only a matter of time. But yeah, we may live longer, but we'll have Alzheimer's. They'll herd us like cattle, and we won't even have a bloody clue. As we look around this way, over the town centre, over towards the north, everything seems to be below the west. That's a new one. Thought I just saw one up above going to the west as well. That's the east, heading eastward. That's heading westward. And what flight radar tells us is that about 30 odd thousand feet and over the other side of the Pennines on the west coast. Maybe that's why I can't zoom in that far. Not through this shite anyway. Anyway, there you have it. Hope you have a pleasant evening. You guys are wonderful, all the best.